In this video, you are going to learn how to use ChatGPT so effectively that it feels unfair. The difference between a beginner user and someone who understands the platform at an intermediate or advanced level is massive. Most people barely scratch the surface. They type short prompts, accept the first response, and move on. That is not how this tool is meant to be used. The goal of this video is to show you how to fully take advantage of ChatGPT's capabilities. There are powerful features built into the platform that many users either do not know exist or do not know how to use correctly. If you watch this video from start to finish, you will understand how to use ChatGPT in a way that saves time, improves decision-making, accelerates learning, and increases productivity across nearly every area of life. This is not theory. These are practical workflows that are used daily. When used correctly, ChatGPT becomes a tool that feels less like software and more like a personal assistant, analyst, tutor, writer, and researcher combined into one system. Let's get started. 1. ChatGPT can see images. The first thing you need to understand is that ChatGPT can analyze images. This changes everything. You can upload photos, screenshots, documents, and visual references directly into the chat. To do this, click the plus icon and select the option to add photos or files. You can upload images taken from your phone, screenshots from your computer, or photos stored in your gallery. Once the image is uploaded, you can ask ChatGPT questions about it. This is not simple image recognition. The system can analyze visual details, interpret context, and provide explanations. For example, you can upload a photo of multiple items and ask which option is best. You can upload a picture of handwritten math homework and ask for a step-by-step explanation of how to solve a specific problem. You can upload a photo of ingredients in your kitchen and ask for recipes based only on what is visible in the image. You can upload a picture of an outfit and ask which shoes would match it under a specific budget. You can upload a picture of a plant and ask what species it is and how to care for it. You can upload a picture of an object you do not recognize and ask for identification. This feature alone eliminates dozens of separate apps and search workflows. Instead of searching manually, scrolling through forums, or guessing, you can get a direct explanation tied to exactly what you are looking at. If you are not using image analysis, you are missing one of the most powerful capabilities of ChatGPT. 2. ChatGPT is a data analysis engine. ChatGPT is extremely strong at reading, summarizing, and analyzing large files, making it a powerful alternative to manual document review. Instead of spending hours going through long files yourself, you can upload them directly into the chat and let ChatGPT extract the information that actually matters. You can upload many different file types, including PDFs, spreadsheets, CSV files, text documents, and detailed reports. Once a file is uploaded, ChatGPT can scan the entire document, understand its structure, and respond to specific, targeted questions. This allows you to focus on insights instead of raw reading. For example, if you are dealing with a 20-page contract, you don't need to read it line by line. You can upload the document and ask ChatGPT to point out clauses that may be risky, unclear, or unusually restrictive. You can request summaries of key obligations, termination conditions, or explanations of complex legal language in simple terms. The same workflow applies to financial documents. You can upload financial statements and ask for summaries, trend analysis, or potential anomalies that may need further investigation. You can also upload bank statements and request spending breakdowns by category, recurring expense identification, or high-level financial summaries. This can be done without opening a spreadsheet editor or writing formulas manually. This feature is especially useful for contracts, research documents, financial data, academic materials, and business reports. When used correctly, it saves hours of manual work and significantly reduces cognitive overload. 3. Use ChatGPT for structured projects. ChatGPT allows you to organize your work using projects, which act as dedicated workspaces for focused tasks and long-term goals. A project brings together conversations, uploaded files, and custom instructions into a centralized environment, making it much easier to manage complex or ongoing work. Projects are especially useful for tasks that cannot be completed in a single session. This includes planning events, managing a business, learning a new skill, building a product, or running research and analysis over time. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can return to the same project and continue where you left off. Within a project, ChatGPT maintains context more effectively. It understands previous conversations, remembers uploaded documents, and can reference earlier discussions when generating responses. This continuity leads to more accurate, relevant, and consistent outputs, especially when working on detailed or technical topics. You can upload supporting files such as documents, spreadsheets, or notes, and add clear instructions that define how ChatGPT should respond within that project. For example, you can set tone preferences, formatting rules, or specific goals. All related conversations stay in one place, keeping your workflow organized and reducing confusion. 4. Use ChatGPT as a professional writer. ChatGPT is a highly capable writing assistant that can handle a wide range of writing tasks with speed and precision. You can use it to draft emails, letters, reports, scripts, proposals, and other professional or personal documents. The most important factor is context. The clearer you are about what you need, the more accurate and useful the output will be. You can paste an email you received and ask ChatGPT to help you write a response. You can specify the exact tone you want, whether formal, casual, professional, or direct. You can also define the length, structure, and purpose of the message, or request multiple versions written in different styles so you can choose the best one. ChatGPT is also effective for improving existing content. You can ask it to shorten long passages, expand underdeveloped ideas, or improve overall clarity and flow. 5. ChatGPT as a voice assistant. ChatGPT works extremely well with voice input, making interaction faster, easier, and more natural than typing. By using the mobile app, you can speak directly to ChatGPT, and your speech is automatically transcribed and sent into the chat in real time. This feature is especially useful in situations where typing is inconvenient or impractical. When you are walking, commuting, driving, or multitasking, you can still interact with ChatGPT without stopping what you are doing. You can ask questions, brainstorm ideas, think through problems out loud, or dictate notes and thoughts as they come to mind. Voice input also makes conversations feel more fluid and intuitive. Instead of carefully typing prompts, you can explain things naturally, add details as you speak, and clarify your thoughts on the fly. This often results in better responses because ChatGPT receives more context and nuance in your input. By combining voice input with instant responses, ChatGPT effectively becomes a true on-demand assistant. It's available whenever you need it, responds immediately, and adapts to how you communicate, allowing you to capture ideas, solve problems, and get information at any moment without friction. 6. Use ChatGPT as a personal tutor. ChatGPT is an exceptional learning tool that adapts to how you understand and absorb information. You can use it to learn languages, technical skills, academic subjects, or professional knowledge at your own pace. Instead of relying only on static resources, you can interact with the material and guide the learning process. You can upload study materials such as notes, textbooks, or slides, and ask ChatGPT to explain concepts, summarize chapters, or create practice questions. You can request explanations tailored to your current level, whether you are a complete beginner or already familiar with the topic. This personalization makes learning more efficient and less overwhelming. When you make mistakes, ChatGPT can explain exactly why something is incorrect and show the correct approach using clear examples. You can ask for additional exercises, real-world examples, or repeated explanations until the concept fully makes sense. This immediate feedback loop helps reinforce understanding and build confidence. This approach works across a wide range of subjects, including languages, coding, mathematics, finance, science, and many other fields. Because the interaction is two-way, learning becomes active rather than passive. Instead of just consuming information, you engage with it, ask questions, and refine your understanding in real time. 7. Generate images with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can generate images directly from text prompts, allowing you to turn ideas into visuals without using traditional design software. You can describe a scene in detail and specify elements such as style, lighting, realism, color tone, and composition to guide the output. This makes it easy to create visuals for presentations, websites, posters, thumbnails, social media, or creative projects. Instead of searching for stock images or designing from scratch, you can generate custom visuals that match your exact requirements. If the first result is not perfect, you can refine your prompt, adjust details, and iterate until the image aligns with your vision. While text inside generated images may still require refinement, overall image quality continues to improve rapidly. The ability to make small adjustments and regenerate results gives you full creative control without needing advanced design skills. You can also upload reference images and ask ChatGPT to modify, enhance, or reimagine them. This allows you to explore variations, experiment with different styles, or adapt existing visuals to new use cases. As a result, this capability replaces many traditional design workflows and significantly speeds up the creative process. 8. Understand video and image generation tools. ChatGPT includes access to advanced media generation systems such as Sora, which allows the creation of images and videos directly from text descriptions. Instead of relying on cameras, studios, or complex editing software, you can generate visual content simply by explaining what you want to see. These tools are evolving extremely quickly. With each update, the realism, motion quality, and visual coherence continue to improve. Over time, the gap between AI-generated media and traditional production methods is expected to narrow significantly, making high-quality visuals accessible to far more people. The process itself is straightforward. You describe the scene, define the style, choose the format and aspect ratio, and generate the content directly from text. You can adjust details, refine prompts, and regenerate outputs until the result matches your creative vision. This removes many technical barriers that previously required specialized skills or expensive equipment. As these systems continue to improve, they are reshaping how visual content is created and shared. 9. Use specialized GPTs. ChatGPT includes access to specialized GPTs designed for specific tasks, offering a more targeted approach than using a general model. These custom models come with pre-configured instructions and optimizations tailored for writing, research, productivity, analysis, and a wide variety of professional or creative tasks. Instead of starting from scratch and manually providing detailed instructions, you can select a GPT that is already trained to handle the type of work you need. For example, there are GPTs optimized for drafting emails, generating reports, creating content, performing market analysis, or summarizing research papers. Each specialized GPT understands its focus area deeply, allowing you to get more precise and efficient results. Browsing available GPTs is simple. You can explore categories or search for a GPT suited for your specific goal. Once selected, you can start working immediately, leveraging the built-in expertise without spending extra time on configuration. These specialized GPTs often include advanced techniques and contextual knowledge that enhance accuracy and effectiveness. Using specialized GPTs not only saves time, but also improves the quality of the output. Tasks that would normally take hours or require iterative adjustments can often be completed in minutes with highly relevant results. For professionals, students, or creators, these specialized GPTs are powerful tools that streamline workflows, increase productivity, and provide reliable assistance for a wide array of specialized tasks. 10. Treat ChatGPT like a professional service provider. One of the most powerful ways to use ChatGPT is to treat it like an expert. You can ask it to act as a consultant, analyst, advisor, or strategist. You provide context, background information, and constraints. It responds with structured guidance. While it doesn't replace professionals entirely, it helps you understand complex topics, ask better questions, and prepare for informed decisions. This applies to legal understanding, financial planning, research analysis, and strategic thinking. Model selection and advanced research. ChatGPT offers different models optimized for different tasks. For most everyday use, standard models work well. For complex reasoning and research tasks, advanced reasoning models provide deeper analysis. You can combine these models with deep research tools that search the web, analyze sources, and generate structured reports. For quick lookups, traditional search engines like Google may still be useful. For synthesis, reasoning, and structured insights, ChatGPT is superior. Final thoughts. ChatGPT becomes powerful when you treat it like a system, not a toy. The more context you provide, the more value you extract. The more often you use it, the more intuitive it becomes. Use it intentionally. Build workflows around it. Let it reduce friction in your daily tasks. If you found value in this breakdown, apply at least one method today. The difference compounds quickly. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.